Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith, he's representing the Tri-City area. That includes Alamo. They're up 0.2%. He joins us live from their sensational 2020 event. Tim, lines of cars showing up today.
People have been in line, Dina, since 12:30 this afternoon, anxious to get out here and fill out that census form, and of course pick up a free t-shirt and a box of food as well. Mayor Deanna Martinez is with me now. How important is it that people come out here today, if they can't get here today, still fill out that census form?
It's very important for our community because it depends on federal funding, not only for the great city of Alamo, for also all the Rio Grande Valley. So it's very important for our community to come out here today. And today's event, we're also giving out a box of food for our community, you know, for them to enjoy. Of course, with the pandemic, you know, our community needs it really bad.
So we're killing two birds with one stone. Yes. We're getting the numbers up for the census. Right. We're also helping feed our community.
Yes, that's right. That's right. And I want to thank Tim Smith and Channel 5 for being here, and all of our sponsors that have sponsored us throughout this event.
Terrific. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Looks like it's a successful event.
Yes,
we're just getting started.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mayor. We appreciate that. And it's been a hot day, that's for sure. But folks are coming out. They're staying in their cars. AC's on where they can, and the turnout is going up. Let's take a look at the numbers first. Here in Alamo, we're at 41.1%. That's where we are today, but we want that number to go up, 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 up. And I have a hunch that just already this afternoon it is beginning to climb because people have been in line and they're getting this done. If you wonder where we are on a map, that seems to be the question of the day, right? Well, here we are. Zoom in a little bit, and you'll see Alamo there just between San Juan and Donna. And we are at the Alamo Sports Complex, which is on 6th and Ridge. We're actually at 7th and Ridge right now, the corner of 7th and Ridge. And here at this corner, this is where the line is. If you want to get in this line, probably need to get in it back at Business 83 and 7th Street because that's how far backed up it is. And it looks like it's going to be backed up like that for a while. Andrew, back to the station. I'm going to need you to advance those maps for me. We've frozen up out here, but you can do that for us as we move on and see what's happening across the area because it's just been a hot day and we've been partly to mostly sunny across the region all day long today, and we don't think that's going to change a whole lot. The satellite image shows that. As we go forward from there, you're going to be able to see that future tracks suggest it stays quiet. We just don't see much happening. We're into that summertime pattern now that really keeps us hot, keeps us humid with little to no change whatsoever. So I think maybe next week a chance a shower shows up, but certainly not the next 3 days. We're dry, 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 dry the next 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I think we're mostly dry on Sunday and Monday as well. Next week we are bringing a slight chance for a shower into the forecast. These are the current temperatures across the area, mid-90s, pretty much valley-wide. The exceptions are 102 in Rio Grande City, 86 degrees at the beach. If you add the humidity in, here's what it feels like. Edinburgh, you're getting a break. Feels like 99 there, but feels like 101 in Weslaco. Feels like 105 in a lot of other locations. These are your highs tomorrow. It's hot again. Back in the 90s, pretty much valley-wide. The beach is cooler. Not cold by any means, but cooler, about 89 degrees there. And as you look at the next 3 days, we're right about normal for this time of year. The average high is 97, and it looks like we're not going to change much from that over the next few days. I just don't see much changing. The reason, the big high that's out in the southwestern part of the country, it just keeps us hot, keeps us humid, and it's not going to change. Now, the long-range models do show a change in the pattern early next week in kind of an unseasonal pattern that's going to push a cool front down beyond San Antonio the middle part of next week, but that's a week away. We don't expect anything like that right now. Quick check of the tropics. We do have a system out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean that we're tracking, tropical depression number 11, just waiting for it to be upgraded to tropical storm Josephine, which will probably happen in the next few hours, certainly by later tonight into tomorrow. The track keeps it north of most of the Caribbean, and we think that'll stay out of the Gulf of Mexico and probably weaken by the time we get to Monday. Again, the next name on the list is Josephine. So your forecast for tonight looks this way. I think we're mainly clear. We're warm, we're humid. Your low temperature is about 77 degrees, winds out of the southeast. And then tomorrow we climb back up to 97, plenty of sunshine. It's breezy and hot once again. Here's a look at the next 7 days now, 97, 97, 98, and we just stay in that range. But notice early next week we bring the chance for a shower or a thunderstorm back into the forecast. It's not a big chance, but the chance is there. The pattern is going to change again next week, so at least there's a hint of a shower or thunderstorm in the forecast. Okay, we're here until 6:30. We'll be here till 7, but the line's open until 6:30. People have been in line since 12:30. Again, if you're going to get in this line to come out here to the Alamo Sports Complex to get the census done, get your t-shirt, box of food, all that kind of stuff, the line starts back about 7th and Business 83. So get in the line there. It's moving now pretty well, so it shouldn't take you all that long to get through. Live in Alamo, Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 5.